Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Nature Trail. Today, Peppa and her family are driving out to the countryside. Daddy, what will we see in the countryside? We will see birds and trees and flowers and bees. Dinosaur. No, George, I don't think we will see any dinosaur. This is the start of the nature trail. We are here! Hooray! Daddy Pig, don't forget the picnic. As if I would. Daddy, how do we know which way to go? Easy. The map says there should be a sign showing the start of the nature trail. Here, well done, Daddy Pig. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has forgotten the picnic. Peppa, what interesting things? What can you say? Just trees and more green trees. Peppa, you are not looking hard enough. All right, I'll look right hard and I still won't see anything. Oh, what's that? Peppa has found some footprints. Whose footprints are these? Dinosaur. Oh, George, they are not dinosaur footprints. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them. Yes. Shh. We have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Yes, Mommy. George. Shh. Shh. Peppa and George are following the footprints. Look, the footprints were made by a little bird. She flown into a tree. Where? Here, Peppa. Looks through the binoculars. The binoculars make everything look bigger. I can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. I wonder they are eating. They are eating worms. That's disgusting. Peppa has found more footprints. Oh, what little footprints! The footprints are being made by ants. They are collecting leaves to eat. Are they going to have salad for lunch? Yes. Taking of lunch, let's make a picnic. Oh, the picnic! Daddy Pig, you like the picnic in the car, haven't you? Yes, but it's not a problem. Will I just go back to the car to it. But which way is the car? My map will show us. Oh, who put that tree there? That is not on the map. Oh, Daddy Pig, we are lost, haven't we? Yes. How are we going to find our little car? Toad has found more footprints. Oh, what big footprints! Dinosaur. Very interesting. What has Toad found some real dinosaur footprints? No, these are footprints. No, these are footprints. And if we follow our footprints, we will back the way back to our car and our picnic. Hooray! Nothing can stop us finding our car now. We are home and dry. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Locked key. The rain is washing the footsteps away. How are we going to find the car now and our picnic? It's the ducks. They always turn up at picnics. Sorry, Mr. Ducks, we haven't got a picnic this time. We can't find it. I know, Mr. Ducks, can you help us find our picnic, please? We are here! Hooray! Thank you, Mr. Ducks. I love nature trails. Yes, and I love picnics. And the ducks love picnics, and the birds picnics. And the little birds love picnics. And the ants love picnics. Everybody loves picnic.